cupcake. I got some Happy Meal today. It's part one of my Teresa Collins order for her VIP Facebook group. She had like 80% off. Was it for Black Friday? I can't remember. I think it might have been for Black Friday. Anyways, like everything was 80% off, which is ridiculous. Okay, so it was 80% off, whether it was on sale or not, doesn't matter. It was 80% off. So I spent about $30, which this thing right here is $39.99 by itself. And I spent $30 on my total order, which part of hasn't come in, so I will show you guys that when it comes in. But yeah, let me see if I can get this open. Okay, I don't want to take it all the way out because I'm not sure if I'm going to use it in this temporary space that I'm in or wait until I get my permanent space. But it is a not dry erase, it's a magnetic board. And I think it actually is dry erase as well. But I am going to show you guys what it looks like on the website. It's all sold out at this point, but I've been kind of coveting this one for a while, and I only spent like, I think it was maybe $4 or $8. I have to look on the receipt, but it was a steal basically with the 80% off, so I was able to get it. Thank you. Happy Merry Christmas to me. Thank you, Teresa Collins, for the 80% off. And I will show you guys when I do set it up, whether it's in my temporary space or my permanent space. I will show you guys what it looks like. So much shadow because I don't have my usual lighting set up, but I also got some Happy Meal from Cookie Sticker Co. Look at that yumminess right there. This is from the Christmas release. And of course I wanted this one and this one so bad. And then I just decided, let me get all three. So I will be excited to play with these in my December daily, which I need to get on because it is day, 6? And I haven't started. So hopefully I'll start that this weekend. It's day 7 of Vlogmas, and I'm getting ready to actually go out of the house and run some errands. That's a novel idea because I have been enjoying the quarantine, like staying in still for the last couple years. So running errands is a big deal. And we're gonna head to Sephora, maybe the bookstore. I need to get the car washed at some point. Pick up some things from Mac. What else do I need to do? Anyways, I'm taking you along with me, so let's go. Okay, so I'm heading to Sephora. Hopefully I can get in and get out, just get the things that I need. But you guys know how Sephora can be. It can be a rabbit hole, so once you get in there, anything could happen. So come with me and make sure that I stay on point. Send some prayers my way so that I get out of here and only spend what I need to. Okay, so I got everything, picked up some things that I didn't need, of course, but let's get out of here before I spend any more money. Yay, we got out. Wasn't terrible, could have been worse. Now let's head to Barnes & Noble and see if I can find a good book. Okay, so going outside and running errands actually costs money, you know? And I think because of quarantine, I'm just very used to not going outside, not spending that much money. But we still have more errands to run, so money has to be spent. What do you do? So now I have to find the Mac store because I'm not as familiar with this area. So let's see how that goes. Found Mac and also Lilly Pulitzer, but the Mac stuff is not for me, it's for my mom. And the Lilly Pulitzer stuff, I stopped in because I wanted to look for some towels, but I found this cute little collar bandana thing for Cupcake. So I'm gonna get home and try it on him. You look so cute in your Lilly Pulitzer bandana. Come here, let me see. Let me see it. Is it all finished frame? Mm-hmm. All the frames done. Did you say what they go in next? Hold on, Mom. Getting some help from my dad to show you guys my outfit because I actually put in some effort today while I was running my errands. And you didn't ask, but you need to see it.
Come on this side.
This side?
More light over here. Yeah, right there. Yeah. And what you said so special about this outfit?
Dad actually dressed up.
Okay.